Hi, I'm Darryl Johnson II, and I'm the composer of X. X is a vivid grade 4 action piece for wind band. It opens with a thundering theme that the low brass power through, while the upper winds spiral out of control with flurries of trills and glissandi. Picture a gritty, dystopian metropolis far away into the future. This dark postmodern scavenger hunt depicts a wild ride in a futuristic adventure mobile that has the capability of managing in the air, on land, or in the water. It's cinematic at times, it's traditional at times, it's even funky at times, with quirky rhythmic structures and offbeat orchestration. There are 8 percussion parts with rocking timpani grooves, active mallet treatments, and solo opportunities for tuba, bassoon, trombone, flute, oboe, clarinet, tenor sax, and just about every section gets its moment with a melody at one point or another. Give it a shot if you have an ensemble that can manage a bit of part independence and rhythmic activity, because this is an exciting piece and everyone shares in the complexity of it. So buckle up and prepare yourself for the 21st century novelty of X.